everybody. Natalie worked for a long time, many weeks, on making this dinosaur timeline.
And this is a Plateosaurus. This is a Stegosaurus.
Wait, start again.
This is a Plateosaurus, and this is a Apatosaurus, and this is a Stegosaurus.
Hold it pointing to me. There you go.
This is a Plateosaurus. This is a and this is a Apatosaurus, and this is a Stegosaurus. But this one is a really hard one to guess.
Yeah. What is it? Yeah.
We don't know what it is called, but it's really cool.
Yeah, it is. And keep going. Tell me the next one's down.
And this is a giant waterfall where they drink from. And this is a tree that they eat the grass from. And this is where they eat the grass. And sometimes they bunch into these bushes. They normally drink out of this pot. And sometimes some of these dinosaurs eat out of these plants.
Wow, and you wrote your name up there?
No.
Okay, now I'm going to film the whole thing.
Okay.
Okay, so we're going... Wow. That is so cool. Does that say Cretaceous?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And this says Jurassic something, something. That is really good.
And Stegosaurus, Mom, and Stegosaurus right here.
Oh, I like that Stegosaurus. Hey Sam, what are you doing over there? Are you Miss Jackie? Say, what you gonna sing?
I mean a Apatosaurus, Mom. It's actually a Apatosaurus.
Actually a Apatosaurus. Okay.
Because Apatosaurus have little bumps on their head. And they have tiny brains, about like this small, and our brains are this big.
So, wow.
A dinosaur brain this big, Tyrannosaurus Rex brain is like as big as that window right there. But and this is my timeline.
Okay. Very good. Say bye-bye.
Bye. This is the first one I ever made.
I love it.